I think I just figured out why people can't go to sleep early. And it's because we're not thinking this thing through. I like to make this comparison because it explains fully why you can't go to sleep. So a lot of times when people try to go to sleep earlier, they just get to bed earlier, right? But your body needs to like get ready for sleep. And so you end up sitting there in your bed for hours and hours and then eventually fall asleep. And you end up going to sleep at the same time you went to sleep, or even worse, because you're not allowing yourself to prepare for sleep. For example, if you go to work every day at 9 o'clock, do you like just get to work at 9 o'clock after just waking up in the bed at 8:59? No. You wake up at maybe 7 o'clock and then you take a shower and you do this and that, you get ready and then you go to work. If you then said if you go to work at 9 o'clock, okay, I'm now going to work at 7. Do you get up in the morning at the same time that you did when you were at 9 o'clock? Do you still shower at 6:58? No, you have to do that way earlier. Same for your sleep. You have to push your entire day over if you want to go to sleep at that time so your body can prepare to go to sleep. Our mind can't go from work, 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 this, and then just sleep unless you're just insanely tired. So if you want to be able to go to sleep earlier, you have to move your entire life to earlier. You see what I mean? So you want to go to sleep at maybe 10 o'clock when you usually went to sleep at 12. That means if you usually ate dinner at 8, now you have to eat that dinner at 6:30 or whatever. Y'all, I'm not about to do the math. I'm not no math whiz in here. But everything has to be moved over so your body can learn to go to sleep and be told to go to sleep. Y'all are telling your body to go to sleep, but it got a calm down mode of 2 hours. But you're telling it to calm down and shut down in 1 minute. It don't make no sense. I used to do it all the time. I used to do it in college. You do it now. And I'm like, why can't I go to sleep? I'm not giving myself time to go to sleep. Personally, for me, I got to stop working by about 6:30. I'm one of those people. I work all the time. But by 6:37, let's hit the gym real quick. Let's take a shower. Let's eat. You feel me? Let's watch your favorite show. My mind has to get out of work mode. I remember I used to try to work, and then go to sleep. A lot of this was because I was afraid to be bored because I didn't want to deal with my own feelings. But that's a whole nother video for another day. But you have to be able to come to peace. If you never come to peace, if you just and then your mind's like, I'm not even ready to be like that. You see what I'm saying? Now you're in the bed and you're closing your eyes and you can't even handle your thoughts because your mind's still on go mode. You see what I'm saying? Your mind needs to be on like, when you're sleepy, you're not really thinking about nothing. You need to get your mind into a place where it can feel like you don't even gotta think no more. When you're thinking too much, that's when you can't sleep. So you need, and that's why people will, and that's why I do it sometimes. You need that background music or background thing play. Maybe put on a podcast to go to sleep or a video on YouTube because you need something to ignore the thoughts in your mind. Okay, and so you need to get you you need to be able to get to a point where your minds aren't as vibrant. You see what I'm saying? When you're coming straight off of work or coming straight off of doing something, straight off of whatever, your mind has no time to decompress. You need to give yourself time to decompress. I think I said a lot for 3.5 minutes, but I think I explained it. Not everybody's going to get what I'm saying. Maybe this isn't going to work for everybody, but I believe it's going to work for some people because it's worked for me. And I just need to get that out there. That's how you get to sleep earlier. You got to actually get your life earlier. You know what I'm saying? And also, I said another nugget. I know it's hard to get up in the morning, but if you just get up early in the morning, force yourself, eventually body's going to be like, all right, bro, we got to go to sleep earlier because we ain't. You see what I'm saying? That's also another little tidbit. But hope this helps. I'm getting up at 5:30 in the morning because I'm getting myself together at like 7:30, 8:30, getting ready to go to sleep. Okay, see y'all.